Hi, it's Giles Johnson here from Fraction ERP with a short walkthrough video of our purchasing function. In this video I'll talk you through the main purchasing functions, show you how part demand is brought together, how we receive parts and how the whole thing ties together. Starting with the works order screen, let me show you where the part demand comes from in the first place. So if I click on the view element here, I can see the parts required for this works order and the quantities required too. So if I move through to our active parts screen, I can actually see all the parts that require some kind of action within the system. If I change the status, I can actually quickly see all the parts I need to deal with in the system. In this particular case, I'm going to filter for an item here called the P200 casing. On this screen, there's two particular columns I want to draw your attention to. One's total lot and one's current stock. In the case of the P200 casing, it's a manufactured item that I'm choosing to outsource. If this was a product where I'd buy in multiple quantities from a supplier, then I could have a lot number that represented the order multiple and the quantity would therefore decrease. The current stock column shows me how much stock I actually have on site at this moment in time, so I can work out what the difference is and actually choose to buy the quantity I require at that moment in time for the business. I can now select the items I wish to purchase. I can select multiple items at once and then create a purchase order. I can then search for a supplier name, and this then pre-fills all the various information I need for my purchase order with just a couple of clicks. I can now review the draft purchase order and actually edit the particular line items to give the exact quantities and delivery dates that I need in order to achieve the works order start. On here I can adjust the quantities, I can change the purchase prices and actually choose my delivery dates, as you can see on the screen here. In this particular example, I'm choosing to remove the second line and just have one consolidated line on the purchase order. From here I can produce a hard copy or soft copy of my purchase order and send this information across to my supplier. I can update the status of my purchase order so it goes automatically to on order, and from here I can actually go and review all of my overall purchases using the purchase screen you can see here. I'm now going to receive the order I've just placed and click on this receive button and the goods received page pops up. On this page I can input the quantity I've actually received, so I can actually have split deliveries if needed, and I also need to capture the date which the goods were received on. And once the full quantity has been received by the business, the status of the purchase order changes to complete. We can also receive goods directly through the receive goods page. On this screen we get to search for any of the purchase orders that we have outstanding, and then we can click on the receive button and we see a very similar screen to the one we saw before. All of these transactions are recorded against the part, so if I go to the part here and search again for the part we've been working on, I can click on the actions, view the details, and if I scroll to the bottom of the screen I can see the stock transactions that we've just completed. It might be the case, once we've reviewed the stock levels, that we actually need to adjust these stock levels. So back into the part screen again, searching for our P200 casing, I can click on the actions button and go to the edit stock option. Using the stock adjustment form, I can set a whole new stock level or adjust the existing stock level and capture the reason for the change. This gives me full traceability and accuracy within my stock levels in the business. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of Fraction ERP and how it handles purchasing and receiving goods. If you'd like to learn more about Fraction ERP and how it can help your business to become more productive, then please visit our main website and sign up for a free demo using our contact form. Thank you.